Hey everybody, just wanted to do a quick review on this 12-inch pressure washer attachment by Ryobi. Before I made the purchase, I read quite a few reviews. Some people, it seems like they really love it. Some people don't like it so much. Personally, I just finished using it to clean off my patio here, and I am 100% a fan. Let me walk over here and I'll give you a quick demonstration of it and tell you why I like it so much. First of all, just like any other pressure washer tip, it has a quick connect, slide back, and it snaps right in place, good to go. So you can see I did a little pass here without this attachment, just using one of the regular nozzles, and it works just fine without it, right? But what I found using this is that it really seems to cover a much wider space, and I feel like it actually saves water and actually gets the job done a little better. It kind of really concentrates the pressure there itself, because if you see the bottom, it has the two pressure washer nozzles and they rotate. So it cleans this whole perimeter there. So quick demonstration. Set it down, squeeze the trigger, and just slide it across. So you can see it cleans really easily, a nice wide space, and it just makes a huge difference. Again, if you're looking for something to help you clean your patio, strongly recommend you go with this if you're using the Ryobi. Thanks.